I want to welcome you back to another video. And if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content from time to time. But today we're going to be focusing on a brand new library from Native Instruments. This one's called Session Guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe. Native Instruments describes this as a hollow body jazz guitar, and from previewing some of the sounds, it definitely sounds a lot warm, a lot of jazzy, good for like maybe neo soul or just some type of like nice jazz, and you can really add effects and kind of build your own using some of the tones inside Electric Ruby Deluxe. So keep in mind the Electric Ruby Deluxe means that not only do you have the patterns, but you also have the notes that you can play individually. So if you want to play some solos, then you can do that with this instrument as well. So also, I do want to let you know that I have a session guitarist workshop. So that means if you want to learn the ins and outs of the session guitarist, then check out the workshop. I'm going to leave that in the description box below. And also I'm going to leave a link to where you can purchase the session guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe below as well. So it's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. Let's dive right into it. All right, so before I get into showing you some of the presets, what I want to do is break down this project using Session Guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe. And let's go ahead and start off by playing the beat first, and then I'm going to go ahead and break down just a little bit of how I got the sound here. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the Session Guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe. So how am I getting this sound? Let's go ahead and go back to the intro here. So when the beat first comes on, you notice I have this thicken with another guitar from Scarby, and this is called the amped bass. And if I turn this off, you have just this solo sound here. So that's my riff. And then the secret, what I got going on here is if I go to view, then I go over to the side pane, I'm using this new chords builder tool inside of Contact 8.6. So with it off, it sounds something like this here. And then when I have this turned on, essentially what I'm doing is thickening up that bass line. So you notice on the voice here for the second one, it says P8, and you can hear how it's playing an octave. So instead of using two hands to play the riff, to make it sound thicker, I can just turn this on here and just play it with one hand. So that's just one of the ways that you can use Session Guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe in your projects. Now let's go ahead and check out some presets. So keep in mind, this is the deluxe version. So as you notice, I was skipping over where it says melody because the melody is where you can load a sound. So let's say, for example, I want to load, let's just say this blues guitar here, this session, this melody one here, the blues session. So as that loads up, what I can do is I can play the individual notes. So check this out here. Let's try another one here. Let's go to this jazz. So it's just bringing some realism back into your music. All right, so that is Session Guitarist Electric Ruby Deluxe. I hope you enjoyed the video and found some value from it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. And also, be sure to visit the link in the description box below to where you can download this for yourself. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.